name is Vivon and I'm playing the part of Nemo.
Hi, my name is Gray. I'll be playing the part of Marlin.
Oh, Dad, get up. It's my first day of robotics.
Oh, yeah, sure. Nemo, I'll take you to robotics. Alright, see you later, Nemo.
Bye.
Nemo, come on. What'd you learn in robotics today?
I learned how to like prototype and we learned how to solve the kinematics of the mathematical formula.
Fun.
I'll be back. I gotta go get something.
Okay. Should be back soon.
Oh, what's that over your head?
No singing. No singing,
Where is Nemo? It's been so long. I'm gonna look for him. Damn, my son's missing. Nemo, where are you? My son's missing. No, Nemo! Nemo!
No singing. No singing, please.